Let's look at question 6 from week 1, linear inequalities. It says a company analyst has determined that the cost to produce and sell X units of a certain product is C equals 20X plus 1,000. The revenue for the product is R equals 70X. Find the values of X for which the company will break even or make a profit on this product. So we need to be looking at some keywords. So we have the cost function, that's important of course. We have the revenue function, and we are asked to find where the company will break even or make a profit. So you're going to remember from class that profit is money that's on top of the costs that you've had to pay. So that would be when the revenue or money coming in would be greater than the costs going out. Okay, so break even is that place where you're not quite making a profit and you're not losing money, so it's where revenue equals cost or where profit equals 0. So we can actually solve this question in 2 ways, and I'm going to do it in both ways. It's a fairly short question, so let's see. So when revenue equals cost, we have revenue equals 70x equals 20x plus 1,000. So literally you're setting those two functions equal to each other. We have 20x and 70x, so we're going to combine those like terms by subtracting 20x from the right side. We have 50x. We're subtracting 20x from the left side, of course, to keep that equality. And we have 50x is equal to 1,000, so x is 20. So that would indicate that this company has to produce and sell 20 of this product in order to make 0 profit or to break even. So if we do it the other way, we know that profit has to equal 0 for a break-even point, and profit is equal to your revenue minus your cost. So we have 70x minus, and this is important, the bracket 20x plus 1,000, because you're subtracting both parts of the cost. So you're subtracting the 20x and you're subtracting the 1,000. Okay, so we're setting it equal to 0. 0 is equal to 70x minus 20x, so we have 50x, and we have minus 1,000. So we're going to add 1,000 to both sides. You can see how now we're kind of in a similar situation, right? And now we're going to divide both sides by 50, and we find, of course, the same, x is 20. So 2 ways of solving the question. And again, it indicates that this company has to produce and sell 20 of this product in order to break even.